Welcome back, kindergartners. The garden word for today is heat, H-E-A-T, heat. Heat is important for our garden to grow as quickly as possible. A warm garden grows faster than a cool garden. Along with seed, dirt, rain, and sun, heat is important for our garden to grow. You can tell whether your garden will be cool or warm by looking at a weather forecast. Here we can see that today it was 52. Looking at these temperatures, you can see the cool day of 48 degrees compared to the warm day of 74 degrees has quite a difference. 74 will grow plants faster. It's great to be outside, hearing the birds chirp, seeing the grass green up, watching things grow. Right in front of me here is a white oak tree, and you can see the buds on it are going to produce some leaves very soon. It's just exciting to see all the growing going on. Let's take a look at our plants, see how we're doing. Green beans are doing well. Look at that. That bean is up above the top of the planter, 5 inches tall by now. We've got all the green beans except for one. You can see an empty spot right down here. That bean has not come up, and we don't always get every plant to grow, every seed to grow. Here we have beets, and they're coming through really well. They're a lot smaller, but look at that. There's one, here's one, here's one. All the way down the line, we've got a lot of beets growing right there. Radishes are fast to pop up, and they grow quick, and I believe these radishes are producing fruit in 45 days. So they're the fastest one of the bunch. Then we have the pumpkins, and we now have 2 pumpkins. We have this one right here. There's a pumpkin, and then on the other end we've got another one that's coming through right there. You can just see the tip of it coming through, and hopefully we'll have some more. And then, ta-da! Squash. Boy, we haven't had any squash. No squash, no squash, no squash, no squash, no squash. But wait, look here. We have a squash. There it is. It's just starting to come through. Yay, we've got squash. So everybody has their plants growing. I expect that there'll be more coming through. I want to point out something else, and we'll talk about it later, but look at this. You see, here's a little something green. There's some green growing. Here's some more down here. Those are weeds. We're going to talk about weeds next week. But for now, looks like everybody's got their plants growing, and I'm so happy.